I am back with another Bougee on a budget find, and this time I'm here with this beauty. It's the YSL envelope purse, and she is just gorgeous with a gold accent, and I'm just obsessed with it. Once again, the link to this product will be available in my description box, and I'm also going to pin it in the pinned comment section, so you could just go right there and you will see it if you're interested in this product. And as you can see, it was well packaged. The material is amazing. The company did their thing with this one. This is my favorite purse from the company. This one is the envelope tri-quilt medium YSL shoulder bag in grained leather in the color tan, and these retail for almost $3,000. And as you can see, the attention to detail is just simply amazing. I'm going to put a picture up here of what the authentic one looks like, and then you can compare it for yourself. There's literally no difference, and this one is made of quality leather material. The attention to detail is just amazing at a fraction of the cost. It literally costs under $100, and I'm still just mind blown. As you can see, you cannot tell the difference. Like, you can already tell the difference. So really great quality. The company did their big one with this one. I absolutely love it. I love the attention to detail. I did not get it in the box, but I had the dust bag, so I love that. And again, it is just a beautiful, gorgeous piece. All the details will be linked in my description box. Definitely click the link and go ahead and check out their website, and they have other bags to choose from other brands. I've done several reviews from the same company. I'll also have those videos linked. You can go ahead and check them out and enjoy. Save you some coins. And if you are interested in this product, don't forget to click the link in my bio to shop it, or another one, not this specific one. They have a variety of different colors you can choose from, but she is gorgeous. And until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.